we use the past simple tense to talk about things in the past. This can be recent, such as yesterday, or last week, or older, like 5, 10, 15 years ago. It's still the past simple tense if it's a finished action. Verbs can be regular or irregular. If the verb is regular, this means we make the words in the same way, and to form the past tense, we add ed to the end of the word. For example, arrive, arrived, phone, phoned, want, wanted, decide, decided, start, started, finish, finished, work, work. The good thing about regular past tense verbs is there is no change for different pronouns. For example, I phone, he or she phones. In the past, they both changed to phoned. Example, I phoned or he phoned. So this is easy to remember. For a negative, we look at the auxiliary or helping verb. Here's an example. I don't want, he or she doesn't want. In the past tense, we change the auxiliary, don't or doesn't, and both forms use didn't. I didn't want, he didn't want. Here is another example. I don't work, he or she doesn't work, becomes I didn't work, he or she didn't work. So this is also good to remember. If you ask a question in the past tense, we follow the same rule using did to replace do. In the present tense, a question is like this. Do you go to college? Do you arrive today? For the past tense, take away do and use did. Example, did you go to college? Did you arrive yesterday? Pronunciation of regular past tense ed verbs is more difficult to remember because we have 3 different sounds. Look at the chart below and listen to the sounds. Arrived, worked, decided, phoned, finished, started, called, cooked, wanted. Can you hear the different endings? D, t and id. In column 1, we have what's called voiced sounds. These sounds come from lower in your throat. We can feel it here inside, sometimes with vibration. So it's okay to follow with a d sound. Watch my mouth. Arrived, phoned, called. In column 2, we have voiceless or unvoiced sounds. Look at the last letter of these words before the ed. We often have a k or a sh sound. So with these sounds, we don't use our throat so much. The sounds come from higher up and there's no vibration. So we can't say worked. It doesn't sound right. It doesn't come out of our mouths. So we use a t sound for the end of the word. It's not in the spelling at all, and this is sometimes confusing. Practice them now. Worked, finished, cooked. Finally, we have the id sound. These verbs usually end in a t or d already, the sound that is made here at the front of the mouth. So it's not possible to add just a d sound. Try it. Decide, start, it doesn't work. We can't say it. So we have to add in another vowel sound. So we say id at the end of these words. Look at my mouth. Id, id. and practice now. Decided, started, wanted. Next time, we'll talk about irregular verbs in the past tense. That's all for now. Bye.